days of hacks with Hayley. If you love a hack, this is the only place you want to be on YouTube when it comes to hacks in and around your home. These hacks are not only easy to do, but they are also incredibly helpful. Today's hack is a lucky dip, and the title of the hack is SOAPerman. So freaking excited to show you guys this hack because it is utterly genius. For this particular hack, you will need a bar of soap. That's it. And it's going to change your life as you know it. So be prepared. Once you view this hack, you're going to be like, I don't know what my life was like before I viewed this hack. Like, you'll take it through with you for the rest of your days, and you'll share it with your children and your great-grandchildren and your great-great-great-grandchildren, and then you'll share it with your neighbour, and she'll share it with her auntie, and everyone's going to share this hack because it is just genius. I cannot bear bars of soap. I've never liked them. I find them completely unhygienic. I can't bear the squishiness and sludginess of them. I also can't bear the fact that you've got multiple people doing this and then putting it back. It just icks me out completely. However, I do like the smell of bars of soap. So, you know, it's a catch-22 situation we've got going on. This bar of soap, Robbie the Ranger got me for Christmas just because I loved the scent of it. It's like a cinnamony type scent. It's just delicious. And it has been sitting upstairs, unopened, unused, because I'm like, nobody wants that in their life, sister, okay? No one wants that congealed mush in their life. So this would typically just sit upstairs, never to be seen again, and that is completely wasteful. So if you're like me and you've maybe been gifted bars of soap, or you can't get liquid soap at the store for whatever reason, because, you know, everyone seems to constantly drag the liquid soap off the shelves because of COVID-19, like we weren't washing our hands before, then this is a really, really good hack to utilise your bar of soap. What you're going to do is take your soap and you're going to grate the whole entire block of soap. So, oh look, they've double wrapped it. I mean, I don't know how necessary that was, but if my fingernails break again, I am not going to be pleased. Okay, there we go, we're in. Oh, what a dream. It smells, do you know what it smells like? Like a cinnamon apple. That's what it smells like. Like you've got a fresh, crisp apple and you've just dunked it in cinnamon. Smell that, Rod? Rod Stewart. Okay, so take your bar of soap and you're gonna start grating the whole entire bar. Have grated your bar of soap, you're going to do the whole entire bar. This feels so nice. I can't even cope. Like, if you're into ASMR, then here's a treat for you. Okay, so once you've grated it, you're going to sprinkle your soap shavings into a bowl. I just don't want to waste any of it, so just make sure it's all out. Oh, that one looks like a toenail, doesn't it? Anywho, so once that's in there, you can go ahead and start adding your water. So at this stage, kind of play it by ear. Don't go wild in the aisles. So you want to add it kind of bit by bit, because you don't want it to be, as this mixture cools down, it's going to go thicker. And you don't want to end up with it too thick, but you also don't want it too runny. So let's just give this a little mix. Our soap has now solidified. This is what it looks like, and as you can see, this is too hard. So this is what the consistency will be after 2 cups of boiling water, but we need it a lot more softer than this. So different soaps will require a different amount of water. Not every bar of soap will be exactly the same. This is why I like to play it by ear when doing this. As we can see, we definitely do need more water. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna add some more water to this. I am gonna do an extra 3 cups, I think. And what this will do is, it will end up allowing me to make about 4 or 5 bottles worth of liquid soap in my household. Oh, it smells so good. And I'll just get my spoon out. And we'll melt it down again. And just keep doing this process, guys, as much as you need to until it's the right consistency. And then once it's the right consistency, we can move on to blending the soap and distributing it amongst the hand pumps in our house. This is how our liquid soap is now looking, and that is the perfect consistency for me. So I'm not going to add any more water. That was 6 cups of boiling water to the 1 bar of soap that I added. It has now cooled down, and we are now going to go in with a blender, and the soap will then be ready. We're now going to leave this for the bubbles to settle, and this will turn into our liquid hand soap, and it can be placed in your hand soap dispensers around your house, and this will fill about 4 to 5 of my hand soap dispensers from 1 bar of soap that otherwise would have just been tossed out. Watching today's vlog, guys. I hope you enjoyed this soap hack. If you did, go ahead and smash the like button. By doing this, you really help the channel. And if you are new here, go ahead and subscribe to the Hayley's Help YouTube channel. You can do this by clicking on the subscribe button and clicking the bell notification, which will notify you next time we upload a vlog. The new voting options are now available over on the community page, so head over there and cast your votes. We will be back again tomorrow with some more hacks. So until then, team, keep it clean.